In this video, I will show you how to feature channels on YouTube. And if this video does help you out today, then please scroll down below and consider leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So as you can see, I'm now on youtube.com, and the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to your YouTube studio. So you want to make sure you're logged into the correct account, and what you want to do is come to the top right hand corner, click on your icon and click onto YouTube Studio. So from here, the next thing you're going to want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to look for the customization option, which is this little option here with a picture of a pencil. So go ahead and give that a click. And then from here, what you want to do is make sure you're on the layout option. So if you come to the top of the page, you see you've got layout, branding and basic info. So you just want to make sure you're clicked onto layout. Next, what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the featured section down here. And from here, what you want to do is click onto the blue add section button here. So if you come down, you'll see down at the bottom underneath channels, you've actually got featured channels. So what you want to do is go ahead and give that a click. And you can go ahead and call this what you want. So you can call it featured channels, or you could call it like other channels if you have other channels that you want to showcase. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and call it featured channels. And then what you need to do is search for any channel on YouTube down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and select one of my other channels. Which is just down here, and what you want to do is just tick, and you can add multiple ones here, and then just go ahead and click done. So what it's going to do is add it here. Now all of these sections appear on your homepage of your channel, so if you want this to appear near the top, you just need to come to these two lines to the left, and then what you want to do is hold down the left mouse button, and then what you can do is choose where you want this to appear. So if you want this to appear sort of at the top when people first visit your page, then you would just add it to the top of the list. Once that's done, come up and click the blue publish button in the top right hand corner to save all changes. And then once that's done, you can simply go ahead and click go to channel. And you'll see when I now go to my channel, we've got video today. Let's just pause that. And when I go to my channel, you'll see I've got the featured channels here. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate if you dropped a like on the video. And if it did help you out, then please consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.